Hey guys, welcome to a haul clip. I have some really fun items to show you guys. I have this order from OK Plans, which I've already used items from it because I just could not wait. And then I also have a package from Hubman and Chubgirl. So let's jump into it. I am going to do the OK Plans order first because I'm just so excited to show you guys this and use the stuff that's in here. So I placed a small order with her shop. If you guys know, I have been using OK Plans mini icons for, I don't know, for a while now. So I wanted to stock up on a few more things. And then I purchased a new item that she came out with as well. So before we get into that, let's do all of the freebies. Look at all these freebies. So we have a journaling card, really pretty. I think this is a scene of Japan. Then we have this. Oh, I love when she does script freebies. This is the 30 plus font sampler. Absolutely love this font, and it's on clear transparent paper in black. I'm totally gonna be able to use this. Love that. Love her scripts. And then we have her little business card here, OK Plans. You guys can use the code YAY20 for 20% off your order. We have this November freebie here. We have this book stack sticker, really cute. Game of Thrones. I don't really know any of the other ones besides Game of Thrones, but really cute. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. 2025 word of the year. I love this. Very bullet journal-esque. So I really enjoy that freebie. Oh, look, she threw in some gingerbread people. Then we have this gorgeous magnet. I'm going to put this on my planner cart. Gorgeous. Love that. So those are all the freebies. You get tons of freebies, as you can see. And now let's jump into my order. So I'm going to do this big sheet first. I actually got 2 of these, but I already used one. And it's kind of, you know, put away, sort of. So these are the abbreviated days of the week sampler. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 30 different fonts in the abbreviated weeks. So I got so many questions about the date covers I used in my weekly section. Let me try to find an example for you. Here we go. So these right here, I use them as date covers. I can't remember if I use them any other time. Oh yeah, this spread as well. I always color them in with Tombow markers, with any markers that match the spread, basically. I got so many questions from people asking where those stickers were from. Those were in a D-stash, no shop name on them. So I actually asked Kim from OK Plans if she would be able to make us some. So finally, we have some place to purchase this. I do want to make a point that you have to get it on the matte white paper. Do not get it on transparent, because if you get it on transparent, you won't be able to color them in. This is on matte white paper, so you can take any Tombow marker, any colors you want, and just go over the days of the week, and then you have custom date covers, basically. I do have to say these are a little bit smaller than the ones that I've been using in my Hobonichi Cousin, but they fit in the box, and that's all that matters. The little date cover box in the Hobonichi. So yeah, absolutely adore that she has this huge sampler. And then she also said she will probably come out with the individual listings with each of the fonts if you prefer a specific font. But this is a great way for you to try out all of the fonts and see which one you like best. So I got 2 sheets of these. Again, I already started using one, so I got that. And then let me zoom you guys in a little bit because these sheets are smaller. I love her tiny icons. I have an entire Simply Gilded album full of mainly her icons. All the black and white ones, at least, are typically OK Plans. So I have a few more to add to this collection. I have these little laptops here, which are so cute. I have these little paydays, and this one is in the mini size, and then I also picked up the payday in the tiny size. So there you guys can see the difference. She offers these in 3 sizes: tiny, mini, and then there's a regular as well, which I don't think I have many in the regular size because they're just a bit bigger. but these are going to be perfect in my work planner. And then these are going to be perfect in, I think, my personal planner. So love these. And again, great variety of sizes. I got the little credit cards to just mark when my credit card bills are due. And then I got these little dinner icons as well because I didn't have these. So yeah, that's all the icons that I picked up. Again, I have most of them, but slowly almost getting all of them. So I'm going to organize these at another time. I also mainly placed the order for these date covers or days of the week, and then these custom scripts. She offers customs, and these are in a like transparent paper, black font. You can get them foiled if you want to. She offers foil, but I don't use foil, especially for my scripts. So these are the small size in font 7. I wanted something simple to use in my, I don't even know if I showed you guys this yet. I think so. My Paper Test Designs, my little personal planner here. So these scripts are going to fit perfectly in these sections here because I got the small size, and I just lined them up and they fit literally just the most perfect in that box. So I got a few scripts. This one's important. I'm going to mark watching whatever I'm watching within that week because my boyfriend and I typically watch a few shows at a time. So I'm going to mark what we're watching. I'm going to mark what YouTube videos are being uploaded that every week and what I am waiting on package wise and things that are coming in the mail. So yeah, these are the 4 things I'm marking in that particular planner. So I wanted scripts for that. And that's everything that I got from OK Plan. Okay, moving on. This is my Hubman and Chubgirl order. Love all of their packaging, their boxes. Everything is so like just well thought out. And I love this box. I keep all of their packaging. So if you guys are interested in any of the stuff you see here, I'm also going to leave a coupon code down below for Hubman and Chubgirl and on the screen. So definitely check the website out if you like anything and use the code to save some money. Here's a thank you for your support. Little card from Hubman and Chubgirl, really adorable. And then we have 2 little folders here. I love that their stickers and sticker kits come in folders like this because they're super functional. Let me zoom you guys out a smidge. They're really functional and reusable. So I got some small sticker sheets and then I got some sticker kits. So let's start with the small sticker sheets. This folder is so cute. It says happy planning with a little flamingo in an inner tube. Yeah, it's just a paper folder, but again, you can use this like with anything, which I love. Okay, so some sticker sheets that we're gonna go through. I actually don't have any of these small sticker sheets from Hubman and Chubgirl, so I want to try some out. I got some dim sum stickers because I love dim sum, and these are so cute. They are har gow and shumai, which are just like dim sum dishes. Super adorable. Absolutely love both of these dishes. So I got those. I got more dim sum stickers, but these are the dim sum plates. This is actually my favorite dim sum dish. I think it's like the radish cake or something like it, or the turnip cake. I can't remember. But you have some rice rolls. I don't know what these are exactly. These are more of like the dumplings and stuff. So, oh, these are so cute. I'm definitely going to repurchase these again. I got some of these syringes for the dogs and their shots for their insulin. I got some monthly scripts because you can never have too many monthly scripts. I also really liked this font. I got some to-do scripts. Again, I use these all the time, so I want to try those out. I got some work scripts, and these are all on like a clear paper. So these are going to be really nice. I have a payday script. And then I have, oh wait, is that it? Yeah, their paper is like very thick, so I never know if it's 1 or 2 pages. I have an appointment script. We have these little meal boxes, which I thought were so cute. And then we have these credit card bill trackers. So those are all of the smaller sheets that I got from Hubman and Chubgirl. and I can't wait to use those in my spreads. And then I got some kits. You guys, I could not resist. I got a bunch of kits. This is another really cute folder. It says stay cool. Love these turtles. They are adorable. And I love that the folders are like front and back. Really, really cool. Okay. Lots of kits, you guys. Look at all these. I cannot wait to use these in my Hobonichi cousin. They do offer different sized kits as well. So definitely go check them out. There's Hobonichi Weeks. I think there's Vertical. So definitely check out the website. But oh, so excited. Okay. So this is the Honey Lavender Hobonichi Cousin Kit. We have your boxes and headers here. We have functional boxes here. These are 3-page kits, by the way. Functional, glitter headers, bits of washi here, date covers, trackers, dots, weekend banner, love. So love their layout and their just what they offer in the kit. You get so much, so you're definitely going to have enough probably for 2 spreads if you don't use as many boxes like me. So it might be able to stretch out to 2 spreads, but we'll see. All right, so we have the US snacks in the cousin kit. Love this. I don't have any kit like this. I think this is going to be really fun just to use anytime to mark any kind of like snacky week. So really, really cool. These are all my favorite snacks. Again, all American snacks. There's the functional boxes. Oh, look at the washi and the headers with the Nutella, Oreos, Kit Kats. This is so fun. It's just really unique and very clever. So there's that. And then we have a picnic kit. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot all of the kits that I picked out. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at the little picnic, the frogs. Oh, love these colors, the boxes. And then we have the frog headers, washi. How adorable is this, you guys? Really cute. Here we have the Under the Sea kit. Love this. This is going to be perfect for summertime. Or actually, I am going to Mexico in February. So maybe something like this would be great for that week that my boyfriend and I are in Mexico. There we go. Oh, I love this color. Really good combination. Boxes, headers, washi, trackers, date covers. All right, this kit is so cute. I have a cat. This is called the Crazy Cats kit, and it's just adorable. I love it. Look how cute this is. So cute. Really love that yellow and the orange. It all goes so well together. They do Hobonichi kits really well. Look at this weekend banner. It's all wonky. How cute. All right, and then the last kit we have here is the Sushi Time kit. I had to get this. I love sushi. I eat sushi all the time. So love the color combination with this like reddish color. So cool. All right, so that is everything I got from Hubman and Chubgirl. Lots to play with for 2025. I'm so excited. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Check out all the shops. I'm going to leave all the information and any coupon codes in the description box.